Hello, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk about a very important thing here. It's called memory, how to boost your memory. That's a very important thing, especially if you're a student or even if you're at work. You need a strong memory because you need to produce, you need to show the results, and that's why memory is very important. So I came across a study in which they studied 4,000 subjects, and they found out that if you have less intake of sugar and fats in your diet, you have a delayed onset of problems of memory. So memory is really good if you have less sugar intake and less fat intake. And in this regard, if you have fats in your diet, that is not healthy anyways. So another important thing is, if you are taking fish oil supplements, or even if you are taking fish in good amount in your diet, that's going to help you